3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Alright everyone, I have officially found it. The new entity in the Minds content update, and is none other than a rat. That's right, they've added a sneaky little rat to the game, and its interactions are downright hilarious. Here's how it works. You can find cheese in the update, and consuming it grants you an achievement. But there's more. If you offer the cheese to the rat, it will take it and reward you with a piece of bread. Eating the bread gives you yet another achievement, one of the mysterious question mark badges. Interestingly, you're not limited to giving the rat cheese. It will accept a variety of items. For instance, I tried giving it a light, and it took it. However, it's picky. When I offered a grenade, it wasn't interested. Here's where it gets wild. You can use the crucifix on the rats. When you do, it results in an explosion of loot and earns you a badge as well. Additionally, if you drop a specific green item, it gives you a green light achievement, turning your screen green. Overall, this new entity brings some quirky and chaotic fun to the update. So go explore, trade with the rat, and see what other surprises you can uncover.